This is my new channel. Channel's name is CV. In this channel, I am making the video number Z12. The topic for this video is Quest for Justice. It was advocated by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in his book, the Quest for Justice. The concepts on social reforms, gender equality, and political systems in India. These concepts were well predicted, conceptualized, and recorded in his book, The Quest for Justice, written by Honorable the Union Minister, Law Minister, and also the great father of the Constitution, you can say, writer of the Indian Constitution. He worked as Union Law Minister after India became Republic. In his book, The Quest for Justice, various ways and means for establishing the speedy justice and rightful justice for the people of India by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in his writings. Societal values also will influence the justice system, the legal system, the prosecution system, and also the very kind of procedures adopted by the advocates and also just and judges, depending on the situation and the media updating. Legal limitations are there, of course. Legal limitations are there for accepting the uprise in the social media, the preactive role being played by the social media in addressing the horrific crimes committed by dirty people in India. And many atrocities on weaker sections and many sexual harassment cases have come up in India, which of course attracted the media and which led to, of course, very sensitization of the public and resulted in public outcry. This also amounted to speedy justice or right time delivery of the verdict. Human rights, of course, there are people who advocate human rights in India. These people also rise to the occasion in awakening the people's right in getting the speedy justice, the justice in time in cases of atrocities on women and weaker sections. Criminal justice system, of course, is the right kind of justice system in India. It acts in right way to address the grievances of the people. Sometimes the apex court will take the injustice or grievous crimes as suo motu and adjudicate in right time. Self-representation of the litigants is there, but some people dare not to appear before the judges in the court by themselves, but a few people can do that by representing themselves in their cases to get rightful justice in time. So this also will prompt the speedy justice. So this is a kind of quest for justice in the mindset of the people in India. Of course, the attitude of the advocates and the judges play a vital role in getting the judgments, verdicts in time, in reasonable time. So ultimately, it is the whole system, including the judiciary, will play a vital role in determining the width and the impact of the people's quest for justice. Of course, it is the need of the hour to say in India, lacking the sufficient number of judges and judicial staff and infrastructure. Pendency is very high. Pendency of the court cases is very high in the apex court, in the high courts. Many a time, the social media is involved in seeking early justice in the cases relating to rarest of the rare cases, such as sexual crimes on women. This is a very, very grievous impact on the mindset of the people, drastic impact on the social system, which led to the proactive role being played by the media in getting the speedy justice and rightful justice in such crimes, sexual crimes against the children and women. The media fills and bridges the gap between justice system and prosecution system and victims as a whole in India. This is resulting in fulfilling the people's quest for speedy justice. The social media in India brings into light the public outcry time to time in seeking rightful justice at an early date and right time, speedy justice in horrific criminal cases. This is the quest for justice, my dear viewers. I hope this video and the content of this video has been, I think, to the extent possible. I have made it possible. The content, of course, I have included to the extent of knowledge I have, and I hope, dear viewers, you appreciate the content of this video regarding the quest for justice prevailing in India. Dear viewers, you share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Thank you.